Welcome back everyone. Today's video is all about the highly anticipated Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 tablet. If you're on the lookout for an affordable yet versatile device, you're in the right place. Certification in India hints at an imminent launch, with further indications from listings in the US FCC and Denmark's UL databases suggesting a global release is on the cards. Leaks from reliable sources like 91 Mobiles have given us a glimpse into what to expect from the new Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Samsung seems to be sticking with what works, offering the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite with its signature spacious 10.4-inch display and noticeable bezels. And while we're awaiting confirmation on the display technology, leaks hint at a resolution that's consistent with its predecessors. The camera setup appears unchanged, with an 8-megapixel rear sensor and a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. The real upgrade comes in the form of the processor. Samsung is swapping out the Snapdragon chipset for its own Exynos 1280 processor, promising improved performance for everyday tasks and multitasking. It's a modest upgrade, but one worth noting. Storage-wise, you're looking at a minimum of 4 gigs of RAM, and the choice between 64 gigs or 128 gigs of internal storage, with the added freedom to expand via a microSD card slot. And when it comes to staying connected, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 has you covered with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and that beloved 3.5mm headphone jack. Plus, with AKG-tuned speakers, get ready to immerse yourself in a world of rich, crisp audio. Now, let's talk endurance. Rumors are swirling about a battery life that could stretch up to a whopping 14 hours of video playback, perfect for long journeys or binge-watching sessions. And let's not forget about the S Pen stylus. Whether you're sketching, jotting down notes, or simply expressing yourself, this versatile tool is here to elevate your tablet experience. And with a fresh mint color option joining the lineup, you can infuse your device with a dash of personality. That wraps up our overview of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024. With its familiar design, upgraded processor, and continued S Pen support, it's shaping up to be a compelling choice for budget-conscious users seeking a versatile and portable tablet. Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.